The thyroid gland is located inferior to the larynx and wraps around the anterior aspect of the trachea. Microscopically, the gland is composed of small spherical units called the follicles. The follicles are lined with follicular cells that produce the protein component of thyroid hormones. The protein component is called thyroglobulin and is secreted and stored in the center of the follicles. Iodine, which is an important component of the hormone, is acquired from the bloodstream and stored in the follicles with the thyroglobulin. However, they are not yet assembled into the hormone. They are stored until the thyroid gland is stimulated by the anterior pituitary to manufacture and secrete the hormone. Collectively, the stored thyroglobulin and iodine in the follicles are referred to as colloid. The thyroid gland has two large lobes connected by a small bridge called the isthmus. The gland is wrapped around the superior aspect of the trachea, just underneath the larynx, and nested between the right and left common carotid arteries. When the gland is stimulated by hormones from the anterior pituitary, enzymes within the follicles attach the iodine to thyroglobulin to make the hormone, and then the hormone is secreted into the bloodstream. Two forms of the hormone are produced, T3, which is called triiodothyronine, and T4, which is called thyroxine. The most common form of the hormone is T4, however, T3 is a more potent form of the hormone, eliciting greater responses from target cells than T4 does. The hormone, even though it is amino acid based, must be transported in the bloodstream by specialized plasma proteins called thyroxine binding globulins, which functionally help to facilitate their entry into target cells, as proteins and amino acids are typically unable to cross the lipid interior of the plasma membrane.